Well, all this time at home has us maybe thinking about some things that we might want to change about ourselves after this pandemic. Joining me now is a team that can help you do that. We've got the team from Metamorphosis. It is Dr. Daniel Markman, Brittany Wilson, and Scarlett Davis. Thank you three for being with us.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
One thing that I'm sort of liking about these Zoom interviews is that I can talk to a lot of people in a lot of different places right now.
Yep.
So we've had to adapt, but I also know that Metamorphosis has had to adapt too. Talk about sort of this current state and how you're helping people, I guess, remotely sort of make plans for the future.
Sure. So we've been doing lots of virtual consultations since the office has been closed. So patients still want to come in, they still want to get stuff done. So we're doing lots of virtual consults and getting an idea of what they want to get done, making some basic plans, and hopefully getting them scheduled as soon as things open up again.
And the services that you provide at Metamorphosis really run the gamut. Talk about, I guess, what it is that you could do there.
Sure. So I do a lot of the cosmetic surgeries myself. I have my esthetician Scarlett does all the skincare. She does facials, she does hydrofacials, microdermabrasion. And then Brittany, sitting next to me, my nurse practitioner, does more of the injectables and fillers and neurotoxins, lasers, all that kind of stuff.
Look at them. They're calling you right now. Tell them you're in the middle of an interview. They can't have you yet. Scarlett, I actually wanted to ask you because I know that you are new to this practice. And tell me a little bit about your role since you've joined Metamorphosis.
Sure. I'm happy to do that. So I am practically the cleaner is what I call myself here, really. People come in for skin consultations. When they come in to meet with Dr. Markman for surgeries, he has the ability to refer me to them whenever they want to touch based on as far as any skincare conditions that they want to work on or anything like that. I kind of consider us a one-stop shop. Yes. Not only do we take care of the body, but we also address the issues with the skin. A lot of people want to talk about the overall package. They want to see how they can better their skin, work on treatments that they probably never thought about having before. So I do skin consultations. I do, as Dr. Markman said, hydrofacials, chemical peels, microdermabrasions, things like that. And I pretty much prep the skin for Brittany to handle as far as lasers are concerned. I get them ready. We get them on a skincare regimen, and then I do the cleanup work after she's done with them once they've gone through the laser process. And lasers kind of bring a lot of stuff up to the surface, and my job is to clean it.
Brittany, I wanted to ask you about this show because your show has been on wmar now. And that's sort of the feedback that you're getting from people, right? That they're realizing that they can come to you for basically everything.
Yeah, people are loving it. We're getting a great response. So they're seeing how personable Dr. Markman is, and he's really easygoing, and it's not the scary plastic surgery place. And then people are also really loving that they can come and get minimally invasive procedures such as injectables, Botox, filler from me. And then Scarlett is, just doing great with her facials and everything on that side. Everyone's loving the show.
What advice would you give to somebody right now in the midst of this pandemic about sort of getting prepared if they're thinking about coming in to see you after the pandemic passes?
Well, we are all doing virtual consultations. So first would be to set up the virtual consultations, which you'll see on the show as well. We're doing them there so you can see. And then after we do the virtual consultation, we'll put you on a list. And as soon as we open, we're going to have our front desk just call everybody on the list, and we'll schedule you right away.
Good. So you're not missing any sort of time. And if people want to get in touch with you, should they just go to the website and fill out that form, or just call like they've been calling in the middle of our interview?
Yeah. So our website is discoverthebeauty.com.
Okay.
And you can obviously call the number, and if somebody's not here, then we're having, at the end of each business day, we're checking the phones, and hopefully we'll call you within 24 to 48 hours.
Perfect. Thank you so much for being here, and you can catch their show. It is Saturday at 7:30 right here on WMAR2. Thank you for watching from Midday Maryland, and we'll be right back right after this. Stay tuned.